Hello, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on our Release of Information form. A Release of Information form is a legal document. Your patients can use it to authorize you to disclose their medical information to someone else. This may be the patient's new healthcare provider, their employer, their insurance company, or someone else entirely. Here we can see our PDF Release of Information form. Let's go through the different sections now. The first section is for your patient's information, including their name, date of birth, address, and contact number. The next section is for your patient to nominate their authorized organization. This is who will be sending the information. This section also includes the specific information to be shared and the reason for the disclosure. The disclosure section names the receiving person or organization. This is where the information will be sent. Have your patient fill out a new form for each receiving organization they want their information to be shared with. The expiration section provides your patient with the opportunity to set a time limit on the authorization or to set it until revoked in writing. The statement of rights reiterates the patient's rights to revoke their authorization and includes other important points to do with the authorization process. Finally, there are two ways to sign this document. If the patient is able, they can sign for themselves. Otherwise, a guardian or legal representative can sign on their behalf. To illustrate what this form might look like when it is finished, we have included a sample Release of Information form. In this example, Jane is requesting that Big City Hospital sends details of her past radiation treatment to private radiation clinic. Feel free to pause the video at any point to read in more detail. Release of Information forms emphasize the importance of complying with your legal data privacy obligations. We think keeping your patient records digital is the best way to maintain security, and one way to do this is using practice management software like Carepatron. I'll show you how to access this form and many others from within Carepatron now. To find Carepatron's templates, click Templates from the menu on the left-hand side. Make sure you're filtering by Community Templates to ensure you can see all of Carepatron's templates. Search by keyword using the search bar. Click the result you'd like to use. You'll then be prompted to select your patient from your client list. And here it is.